This video will go over how to complete your profile in Handshake. Handshake research shows that complete, updated profiles make you 5 times more likely to be messaged by recruiters looking to hire you. Handshake will also show you more relevant, personalized job recommendations the more information you give it about yourself. So, let's look at how to complete your student profile. You can make changes to your profile as many times as you'd like. From the Handshake home screen, click on your initials in the top right-hand corner and select My Profile. Your name, school year, and major may already be filled in. Click on the pencil icon next to your name to make any changes to your preferred name or school year. You can also upload a profile picture if you'd like. Add a bio to your profile to highlight your skills and any additional information that you'd like to share with employers and peers. What are you passionate about? What are you looking for on Handshake? What are your experiences or skills? Click on University of Alaska under Education if you need to make any changes to your education level, major, dates that you are attending the University of Alaska, and GPA. You can check these boxes if you'd like to keep your GPA hidden from employers. If you have a resume that you would like to upload, Handshake will use the text in your resume to fill in the work experience and extracurricular sections of your profile. Scroll down to Documents and click the Upload button. Here you will be able to upload a PDF or Word document of your resume. Click the pencil icon next to your interests to edit your job seeking status, job interests, cities you would like to work in, and roles or job titles, and industries that you're interested in. You can add as many or few as you want to each of these categories. These are especially important to seeing personalized job recommendations on the jobs page. Click the pencil icon next to personal information to update your pronouns, gender, race, and ethnicity. You can choose to allow your pronouns to be seen or not seen by employers and other students. Your gender, race, and ethnicity will only be visible to you and will not be shared on your profile. You can leave any of these sections blank if you would prefer. You can also add soft and hard skills, courses you have taken or are taking, and any projects you have worked on. Finally, let's look at your profile visibility. Click on your initials in the top right-hand corner and select Settings. Under Privacy, select which visibility setting you prefer. You may keep your profile private, allow employers to view it, or be open to the Handshake community so that both employers and other students may view your profile. Click Save Update at the bottom of the screen once you have made your selection and updated any other relevant information in the settings. Now you're ready to start making the most of Handshake. Watch our other videos in this playlist to learn how to search for jobs, register for events, and make appointments to meet with career services.